Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will just do something with leftovers and scrape offs. I have some blues, aqua flash, red violet, white, blue violet, and some gold left, and I scraped the paint from one of my previous pours. I just put them into the cup and do a wandering straight pour. I love wandering straight pours. I love featherings. I just love it. Um, and why I'm showing you this video, that you can, just use your paint. You don't need to waste the scrape offs. If they are from blues and purples and white, definitely you can't get a mud. It's just a nice colors to have them. And here they come, now from the cup, the scrape offs, and because of that, there are some beautiful gradients, some nice effects, it's all a lot of things in this painting, so I really like it at the end. Yeah, and I'm doing voiceover because this was just, reusing canvas, reusing paint, just to be more green, or how can I say, show you how you don't need, you can pour over your canvases. You can use the paint that you have left over or scrape off. So yeah, don't need to go from beginning, or how can I say, for every painting. Sometimes we just need to relax with fluid art, and this is my relaxation for today. So yeah, I will let you listen to some music and talk to you again with the close-up of the dried results. So this is the dried result. I really lately want to show people that you can use your scrape offs. You get some nice gradients, and I did added some of the colors, you know, that are in the mix and they add some contrast, so I have some mixed colors, gradients, and some details that are really gorgeous. I just love this one. Beautiful. So yeah, we don't waste. You can use everything, you know, you can just reuse that. Yeah, sometimes it's really a weird color if you scrape off, but sometimes you can definitely use it in another pour. So this was it for today. Thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!